to brunch order at home as well, because today is National Brunch for Lunch Day, and so we're having a little bit of fun with the fact that we want to know, what do you order when you go to brunch? And many of you are sharing. All right, I will tell you, when you go to brunch, and when you have any meal that you enjoy, beverage that you enjoy, that all of the things we eat and drink will stain our teeth, which is why it is important to make sure that you're doing all the right things for your oral care. And what we have is going to make it so easy for you to simply rinse before brushing, and that's how you are going to clean and whiten your teeth. I know. Easy, right? When it's easy, we're more likely to do it. And when you do it, you'll be very happy with the results. So what we have for you today is Supersmile, and it's the Jumbo Whitening Pre-Rinse. You're going to get 2 of these. Now, ordinarily, at this jumbo size, you would have to spend $40 each. It would be an $80 value. It's $56.98 today with a sale price. And we have not had this on the air since October of last year. So it has been months and months to get the Whitening Pre-Rinse back in stock for you, but it's here. And again, easy. All you're gonna do is just before you brush, you're gonna rinse, and this is how you help to boost your whitening, your teeth whitening, in a simple way. So let me introduce you to Dr. Lindsay Marshall, who's here in the studio. It's good to see you. Welcome.
You too. Thank you.
You know, I was surprised that it has been since October.
I know.
Since we had a chance to present this.
I know. Everyone's like, where's the pre-rinse?
Oh, I love it. Well, I should mention that Dr. Marshall is a practicing dentist here in the Philadelphia region area. And so let's start with Supersmile and then talk about, because the ease of this is, I think, part of the reason people love it so much.
Absolutely.
And what we can expect when we use it.
For sure. So Supersmile as a brand was created by a dentist for his patients, and the magic of Supersmile is our proprietary ingredient, Calprox. So Calprox is the magic of Supersmile. It's why you get whiter teeth without any sensitivity, discomfort, and harsh agents. And that is what you're getting in our cult favorite pre-rinse. Everybody knows and loves the pre-rinse. And typically it's part of a system. It comes with like our toothpaste and our accelerator. But today we have the jumbo sizes in just the pre-rinse and with the pump. So why is it a cult favorite? It's a cult favorite because it whitens, because of our proprietary ingredient, Calprox. It freshens your breath with the minty flavor, and it hydrates because it is a clean product. It's alcohol-free, so it does not dry out your mouth or dry out your tissues, which tends to make you feel less fresh soon after.
Right.
And the reason you get these kinds of results is because of the brand Supersmile, because of Dr. Smigel's genius, because all of our products are clean and powered by the Calprox.
I love that. We've got a little demonstration here. And by the way, again, this big jumbo size that we're bringing to you, and you get 2 of the pumps, so you can put them in different bathrooms if you want, that would be an $80 value. You know, I think for so many, I was saying at the start, we're having a little fun with our brunch question today, and the fact that for everyone, and everyone wants their teeth to be white and bright.
That's for sure.
When people see you, that you appear healthier and more, you
more
feel
confident.
more confident. And so for a lot of people, the convenience of this, I think, is going to be what makes it really fantastic.
For sure. And it's sort of the 1-2 punch of whitening. So it's your pre-rinse. It's what you're going to do for 30 seconds before you brush your teeth. Then it's priming the teeth, preparing the teeth for you to then brush and remove more.
Okay.
Because you rinse with it, it's going to foam, effervesce. It's going to reach all those hard to reach places. So the between the teeth, up at the gum line.
Right.
And what I love is when you spit it out, just look in the mirror, because you're going to see it like foaming along your gum line, going between the teeth, and you see it working and you feel it working.
Okay.
And that's the best part of it. But it is so easy to use. And I always use it with my toothpaste and accelerator, but we also use this like after lunch. So when I'm at the office, we don't really have time for our whole routine.
Right.
We'll do a 30-second swish with this. It's going to lift off that surface stain, freshen your breath, and then you're good to go. So go have your brunch, then do that.
Okay.
So, and what I love about the pump is that it titrates it. It gives you just what you need. So It's only a teaspoon. A little goes a long way. Like I said, it's going to foam, it's going to effervesce, and it's going to start to break down that protein layer that forms in your teeth. That protein layer is food and bacteria that adheres to your teeth every time you eat and drink, and that's what the stain actually adheres to. So the CalProx is what's going to start to break that down. So you're going to see a little bit of a freshening and whitening, getting that surface stain off of whatever you've been eating and drinking, but then it's preparing your teeth to then receive the whitening of your toothpaste.
So a few questions that people may have, because we know that there is a system from Supersmile that is the toothpaste and the accelerator, and so many of us love and use that every day, and then discovered that the pre-rinse is a wonderful way to boost our whitening. If I'm using any type of product,
yes.
will this work?
Of course. So you can pair it with that. Now, if you're using a different toothpaste or toothpaste and accelerator system, I mean, I can't speak to exactly what that's going to do, but this is going to prepare your teeth either way, and it's going to enhance the results of whatever you're using.
I will tell you, and people, the reason we do these jumbo sizes is because this is what people ask for.
You know what? My patients come in, when I get the jumbo sizes, they stock up. I mean, people buy like 5 of them.
Yeah.
And I'm like, so a little goes a long way. And what I love about the pump is that it gives you exactly what you need. 3 pumps is a teaspoon. That's all you need to rinse with. You don't need half a cup full of it. A little goes a long way. It's going to foam, effervesce. You're going to feel it tingling. You're going to feel it working.
That's perfect.
So I love the pump.
Yeah, it's perfectly kind of dosed for you.
Exactly.
So 3 pumps is what you need, and you're getting 2 of these. So, and by the way, each one is 32 ounces, and so you've got plenty for the family, or plenty for you. Now, what you didn't hear me say is auto delivery. And that's a reason to make sure you're stocking up and getting what you need right now. It's been since October since we've had a chance.
People have been clamoring for it. They're like, where's the pre-rinse? I'm like, it's coming, it's coming.
And that, I think that's just it. It is, when we think about wanting to have whiter, brighter teeth and the things that are important to do for our overall oral health, and the ease of this, like you're using 3 pumps, before you brush, and I love your suggestion, before lunch, before dinner, before meals, whatever you'd like to do, it makes it really simple and very easy. And whiter teeth they make you feel confident. They make you, they make you feel great. People respond to you. You notice the difference.
And what a perfect time of year for that. With all our weddings, all our events, our graduations,
where we're out and seeing people and doing things. So it has been since October, months, to get this back on air for you. And it's the Jumbo Duo. So you're getting 2 32-ounce bottles of that professional whitening pre-rinse. And what this is going to help to not just clean your teeth and also boost that whitening. Is there a flavor to this? Is it kind of a minty?
So it's the original mint flavor. So just that flavor you know and love. That go-to flavor of anything with oral health. And remember, this is a total oral health care product. So this isn't really an extra step that you're then using a different rinse or something. This is good for your teeth. It was created by a dentist for his patients. It's safe on all dentistry. I give this to my patients who are going through dentistry with me. So whether they're having veneers, they're having crowns done, they're having implants done, dentures, like whatever it is, you can use this on anything. And it's great because of that encapsulated calcium peroxide, the CalProx. It's healing, it's great for your gums, and like we said, it's going to start to break down that protein layer that forms in your teeth. That's food and bacteria that adheres to your teeth every time you eat and drink. So it's not only improving the color of your teeth by taking that off, because that's what the stain adheres to, but it's improving the overall health of your teeth and gums. It's giving you fresher breath, and it's leaving you hydrated. I feel like the one main thing my patients will always tell me that they love about it is they're like, I just feel fresh all day long, and that's because it's clean.
No alcohol.
No alcohol.
Again, like that's a huge thing, and when you saw all of the things that this does in order to boost the whitening for your teeth and also be good for you, that's the reason people are always excited when we can present it, and we haven't been able to present it for you on air since October. So it is back. You're getting the Jumbo Whitening Pre-Rinse Duo, so meaning 2 of the 32-ounce bottles with the pump, and the item number is A661736. And remember, not only do you get that sale price, but everything's on 5 Easy Pay today. So that'll work out to $11.40 for it to be on its way to your house. Good to see you.
Good to see you. Thanks for having me.
Thank you so much for being here. All right, everybody, listen, stay in the process of ordering your Supersmile Jumbo Whitening Pre-Rinse if you have not yet placed that in your cart. And then don't forget, it is Well, it's Saturday. That means AM Style. It's Mother's Day weekend, which is wonderful.